My name is Rick Renner, and this is September 22nd. And our gem today is called Given by Inspiration of God. And I'm going to talk to you today about the Bible. When you come to 2 Timothy 3, verse 16, the Apostle Paul writes about the Bible, and he says the Bible is given by inspiration of God. Inspiration by God is the Greek word theopneustos. Theo means God. Pneustos has several different meanings. Pneustos was the word which described music. Pneustos was also a word which described perfume. Pneustos was also a word which in the Old Testament described creative power. And here's what we find. When God breathed into the Scriptures, He released into the Scriptures music, the sounds of heaven. When God breathed into the Scriptures pneuma, pneustos, He released the fragrance of heaven. God released His pneuma, creative power, into the Bible. And every time you open your Bible, it has the potential of bringing to you the sounds of heaven, the fragrance of heaven, and the creative power of God. So if you don't like the environment in your home or in your life, open your Bible and let it release the sounds of heaven, the smell of heaven, and the creative power of God to change your situation. That's what I want you to think about today.